Hello, thank you for joining me for this new and exciting tips tutorial on the Shengshou war drum. Let's get started. So this is the Shengshou war drum 2x2. Um, yeah, normally the 3x3 has a little pieces in these little corners here, but this is the 2x2 because there's pretty much two levels to it like that, or two layers. So this is a good puzzle. It's really nice. Little challenge, but it's a fun puzzle. So I'm going to show tonight how to put these little outer edges in around the whole puzzle. So pretty simple method. Let's get started. So we'll just do a quick scramble here. Yeah, this puzzle moves actually good. Once you break it in a little bit after like maybe a day or two, it moves really, really nice. Even out of the box, it's still um, even out of the box it moves nice too. So that's what's really good about this one. Shengshou, like their more recent puzzles, the ones that are a little bit different, like the crazy ones, crazy 3x3, the pentahedrons, like the 2x2, 3x3, they move really, really good. Okay, so I think that's a good scramble. It looks pretty scrambled up there really well. um, so what I will do, maybe I'll just start with the green side because probably makes sense. So just an easy way to remember this is like you want to solve one layer and put it on the bottom and then go from there. I'll show you step by step how to do it. Okay, so like an example here's green and blue right here. It doesn't go, well, once you turn it around, I'll show you. There's green and blue. So we'll just slide it around here to the bottom so that it lines up with this center here. So it's green and blue like that. So that's pretty much how you want to line the stuff up. Here is green and red, and it goes over here on this side in this slot here because you got the red center. So we'll bring this around here like this, then we'll bring it down and put it in. So now it matches up. We got the green and red, we got the green and blue right there. Now we just need the green and yellow. It's over on this side, so what we'll do is probably a good idea is, well, actually we just slide it around. So we'll just slide around simply like this and put it in like that. So that was a pretty easy start. Okay, so like an example here, we already have this piece in the red because the red center. So we got the red and yellow. So we'll just work our way around the puzzle because once you got your bottom layer, whatever color you want, it doesn't matter what color, if you use blue or red, you just want to start with the bottom layer like that. So we got the red and yellow in, so we'll look for the red and blue. See where that's at? It's out here on top. So what we'll do is we'll bring it around here. Here's the red and blue right here, like that. So what we'll do is, let's see, we'll move it out of the way like that. It's on the top layer here. We're going to bring this up like this, so we could slide it in like that, and then we'll bring it back down. So we got our red and blue in like that, red and yellow. So now we'll move on to the next one. Well, we have one in here, so we got the blue and yellow is already in, so that's pretty convenient. So the next one will be, here's the red, so we got to do blue and red, which is right here on top. So what we'll do is we'll move this over this way, out of the way, on to this side here, like that. And then we'll bring the circle up like this so that it could fit in right here. We'll move it over this way. And then we'll bring it back down. So now we have a blue and yellow and blue and red. Let's see, we already have the yellow and red in. This is really convenient. Normally it doesn't happen that easy. Okay, so we just need the yellow and blue like that. Yellow and blue is right here on top. So we'll do the same thing, but we'll do it the opposite way. We'll just bring the circle up like this. Like that. We'll bring this yellow and blue over to match and fit in right there. And then we'll bring it back down. Like that. So now we have our yellow and blue, it's matching. We have our yellow and red. So that, you know, almost every layer, one was already solved. So that, this was an easy beginning step. So once you do the bottom layer like I showed, and then you do this second layer here, you know, all the way around, you want to do it that way. Do a bottom layer, then you do this layer where you put in like these, like the blue and red, blue and yellow, or red and yellow, all the way around. Once you do that, and then you just turn it on top, it automatically every time lines up. So you don't have to worry, like, is there going to be a parity on here? Is the piece is going to be switched? No, they don't. If you do it that way, where you do a bottom layer, then I showed you how to do the second layer like that, the top layer automatically falls into place. So there's no concern about like some kind of parity. So that's the nice part about this puzzle. So yeah, I just want to show the first step, how to put these in. Simple step-by-step method. You know, it's pretty easy. Next week I'll show how to put these in, because that's the next step. These little corners or corner edges, whatever you want to call them, corners, all the way around the puzzle. Show how to put these in step by step. I'm going to do a couple more videos on this. Things you need to know, little tips, little tricks, so it'll become easy for you to solve. So yeah, I just want to do a quick first step, how to solve this 2x2 war drum. This is also called the Shengshou or Shengshou, whichever one. It's the same thing. It's the same puzzle, same name, same company, like that. That's what I mean. So yeah, thank you for joining me. If you have any questions or comments, leave in the comment section below, and I will reply to you. It's Friday. It's Friday here in Chicago. I have my Arizona iced tea. Still have a little bit left, and I'm loving it. So yeah, like I said, if you ever have any questions about any puzzles, or you want to talk about anything, just drop the comment. I will reply to you. I promise you that I always reply out of respect to you. So yeah, thank you very much for watching today. I appreciate your time. Yeah, thank you so much. And happy Friday, everyone. Have a great day.